One of my biggest regrets is not getting my daughter a set like this when she went off to college and getting her first apartment. We didn't have all the tools we needed, and whether it was the zip ties or the box cutters for our Amazon boxes. 5 things I love about this. One is the bag. I love that it's a heavy-duty canvas Oxford material. It's got a shoulder strap as well as the handles. About 13 long on the top, 14 at the base, and about 6 inches wide at the opening. Holds 50 pounds. I love all the interior pockets that help keep things organized, as well as the ones on the outside. Nice and heavy duty, feels really durable. Super impressed with the bag. In addition to that, it does zip close with plenty of room for all the tools. Second thing I love is this hammer has a good grip to it. It's got a nice weight. It's heavy, but it's super easy to hold, and was surprised by the quality of that, quite honestly. Third thing impressed me was just the variety. It's got the level, all the screws and nails, sheetrock supports, etc. A ton of these grips to secure really quite anything. Love that it has this nice sharp blade and plenty of replacement blades to go into it with the safe thing to hold it. It comes with a bunch of drill bits, all of your different sizes of your Phillips and your flathead, as well as squared, hexagonal, just a great variety of those. Your scissors, a wrench with full adjustability for the size opening there, as well as your needle nose pliers and your regular ones. This is a wire cutter. It does have a nice safety grip on it because it is super sharp. Love that it does come with that feature. Did I close there? There we go. Again, we just keep going. Even your Allen wrenches, your electrical tape. These are your itty bitty screwdrivers in all kind of flat and Phillips head. Really great for all those little towel holders. This is a extendable magnet should you need that. Super convenient. Your zip ties. Here are your flat and Phillips head with this cool tip on the end of them. And here's where you can put all of those drill bits. It does have that securing feature as well. Fourth, I love that it was everything you need to assemble furniture, hang decor. Oh, I forgot, here is even a little hacksaw blade. There's so many things in this. And even the measuring tape here, and it does hold its position and auto retract. Super convenient with the little belt hook, and who can forget its style with function. It's a chic pink. I love the color. This bag is probably my favorite. I do like it has a crossbody strap to hold it. It can hold up to 50 pounds, so it could get heavy. But even with all of the 240 tools in here, it's so easy to organize everything and just keep it in one place. Just grab and go. And it's small enough, that's the box cutter I use all the time for Amazon, that you can put it on a shelf. And so it's easy to store under a bed, under a shelf. That's the end view for you. That great balance of durable, nice and compact, but easy to carry as well. And I think it would be great for first-time homeowners, college students, DIYers, any woman in your life that wants her own set of tools, because why not? So you don't have to struggle with missing or low quality tools, tackling small repairs around the house. The bag is up to 8 inches wide, and love how durable the carrying straps are. Definitely heavy duty, kind of a canvas feel, and I do think it would carry those 50 pounds quite well. Love that it does have the padding for the shoulder support or the hand support, whichever way you want to carry it. So whether you need to assemble something new, hang a picture, fix furniture, I feel like it's decent quality, it's essentials, it's heavy duty, portable, good to go. Hope that helps. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like so I know to create more like this.